feel sad and lonely, 'cause a girl in college has stolen your heart. And so my estimation of the situation is I bet you can't stand being apart. Listen, son, you gotta find a sense of perspective. Ain't no use you burying your head in the sand. Although I kinda like your revolutionary spirit, you know you gotta fall before you learn how to stand. Nobody's gonna know what it's like to walk a mile in your shoes. Such no saying it's a wonderful world. What you make of it is up to you. Oh yeah, let yourself fly, let yourself cry. The years will disappear in the blink of an eye. There's music in the air, yes, it holds so close that it'll be heaven when she's in your arms. So love the life you live and live the life you love. Everybody here been asking about you. When's that boy of yours gonna be coming home? And when I hear the bells ringing down at the schoolyard, kinda reminds me of when you were young. You know you gotta polarize your concentration. I know that girl of yours gonna understand. Never underestimate the power of affection when you got the world in the palm of your hands. Don't go looking for the pot of gold over that miracle mile. Happiness lies in your own backyard. Utopia can take a while. Walk down the aisle with that big old smile. Collect your diploma with your head held high. Study with a soul to reach that goal. But always remember, let the good times roll. And love the life you live and live the life you love. Oh, yeah. Nobody's gonna know what it's like to walk a mile in your shoes. Such no saying it's a wonderful world. What you make of it is up to you. Ah, yeah. So walk by the lake, hand in hand. Try and see the sunset in a foreign land. Tell her that you love her.
Shit! Rückgast jetzt!